So, hello team, welcome back to High Tech Institution YouTube channel. So, in this playlist, right, we are dedicatedly learning about Bard AI, which has been introduced by Google. It's really amazing that you have seen in last video. So, continuation of this, here I'm going to talk about whether Bard going to replace ChatGPT or not. Okay, because recent days, right, ChatGPT is very much trend and famous. Lots of user base, ChatGPT has. But recently there are some talks which the white talk is all about whether Bard AI, which has been introduced by Google, whether it's capable enough to replace ChatGPT or not. That is the things, right, we are going to learn in this video. Okay. So the language model that better than ChatGPT. Finally, okay, I personally feel like we got one, alternative. Maybe we cannot say it's a replacement. It's an alternative and a crash comparison AI tool. Tough competition, tough fight. This Bard can give to this ChatGPT. Okay, fine. Now, top 3 reason you should know why Bard is the future language model. Okay, almost right. People are talks more about ChatGPT. But there are top 3 reasons which I identified, these are the 3 reasons why Bard is better than ChatGPT. Okay. Bard versus ChatGPT, who will win the language model war? Okay, that's what we're going to see. So stay tuned. I'm going to talk about these 3 reasons you should know. Reason number 1, ChatGPT is trained, okay, on a data set of text or code. Okay. Okay, the entire ChatGPT, whatever the response we are getting, right, which has been trained, the AI has been trained with lots of data, with lots of data set and lots of code. Through that only the ChatGPT has been trained. But where if you take Bard, right, Bard not only trained with your existing data and data set of text, along with code, through internet also, it's able to fetch any information whenever we ask, where ChatGPT can't do it. Okay, this means that Bard have access to wide range of information, which allow me to provide more comprehensive and informative answer. Sometime, right, we may feel like if we are asking some information to ChatGPT, sometime it may not relevant to our answer, or it will be outdated answer, something like that, because of it's not able to track the information what current trend is going on, which Bard can get the information from internet as well. Bard will be taking some time to produce the response. Meantime, it will crash verify the information is right, it's up to date, whether it is available in the internet. By the consideration of all those things only, Bard will be giving a response. So this is the reason number 1. So followed by the reason number 1, we do have a second reason as well. Another difference between ChatGPT and Bard, okay, is that able to access and process the information in real time. Maybe when you go and ask to ChatGPT, right, something as per the AI I was developed in September 2021, I have this information. It will start like that, which means that ChatGPT is not up to date. Maybe they are training, keep training, but most of the information, whatever we are getting in from the ChatGPT, which was introduced September 2021, almost last 2 to 3 years of old data only we are getting. But Bard is not like that. It's up to date within the latest information on the internet. Bard has potential enough to gather the latest information, pick the recent update to you. That way, right, is really, really important, because when there's a user search for any information, always everyone will look for a latest current information. That's really matters. Okay. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is limited information that was available when it was trained. Whatever the set of data set which has been trained by ChatGPT, only those informations are available in ChatGPT. But Bard is not like that. It's kind of a information it capable enough to fetch from internet source as well. Okay, that is a biggest reason which gives you the up-to-date information. Okay, there is a one last information. Finally, Bard able to generate a different creative text format. Like when you ask some information to ChatGPT, right, it will say you an information like, hey, as an AI, I can't provide you these information. As an AI, I'm not trained with these things. Like it will give you a diplomatic answer in that way. By telling this reason, it will give you some generic and diplomatic answers. Where if you have a Bard, right, in Bard, what Google has been developed, it's capable of write poems and musical, pieces and emails, letters, and lots of different code script. Like everything can be done, even which ChatGPT can't provide you. Okay, this makes more versatile language model allow us to use wide range of people. So of course, Bard has not been fully released by Google, but within this version itself, we have these many advantages with ChatGPT. This is what we said. Definitely, it can capable enough to replace ChatGPT. Okay. So finally, the summary is ChatGPT can provide you the real-time information where Bard can provide you the real-time information where ChatGPT can't provide. Ability to generate different creative text format where as a AI tool I can't provide the information. Some negative and diplomatic answers we are getting in ChatGPT, right? Those texts also can be generated from Bard A, and ability to cite sources. Okay, it can grab information from various and accurate reliable source. Okay, giving you the relevant information. Okay, this is what we said as a summary. And practically, right, I would like to show you one more thing as well. Okay, if you go to the Bard, this is the ChatGPT. Maybe when you ask for any personal information or something, okay, I'll go ahead to the ChatGPT and I'll check how ChatGPT is up to date. Okay, I'm asking ChatGPT, hey, do you know something about Google AI called Bard? This looks very good. Can you please tell me more information about that tool? So when I ask the competitive tool to ChatGPT, let's see a response. Okay. As of my latest update of September 2021, Google had not released any AI bot called Bard. Okay. However, it's possible that new development may occur. Okay. Up to this point, Google had a wide range of AI tools and projects. Okay, they are having. If Bard is a new tool by Google, I regret that I do not have the information on it. So literally, it does not have any information. Okay, where if you go to the Bard actually, okay, hey, do you provide information about ChatGPT and how you are improved from that tool? So let's see whether Bard has the information of ChatGPT and how it's understood the responses and things and stuff from see. Sure, I can provide information of ChatGPT, improved from that tool. So ChatGPT is a language model, is developed by OpenAI. So it has lots of information which has been provided. Okay, all the information which has been provided, what language model it's been, and training data. Okay, text code 2017 to 2022, text mode 2017 to present. In Google searches, whatever capabilities, generate text, translate language, write different kind of creative content and answer question. But here you can see generate text, translate language, write a different kind of creative content, answers question, format response, provide multiple responses, edit responses. Limitations can be repetitive, may not always be accurate. Okay, some limitations are there. Still under development. That's the only limitation. May not have the able to answer your question perfectly. Since it's a development, even though it's in development, but as far as my understanding, so far I use Bard, right? It's giving you a great information. So finally, right, I personally believe there are huge chances where Bard can replace ChatGPT. So let's see. Let's wait and see. Maybe we do have ChatGPT also having upcoming releases are there. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so until then, thanks for watching this video. Hope you got some information about Bard and ChatGPT, which one is best. This will decide definitely for you to go and get the information parallelly on both the AI tools. Okay, so if you really like the video, please do subscribe our channel and share this link with somebody who's provided, you feel like it will be really useful for them. And if you need any other videos which relate to AI, please mention that in the comment section. We'll try to post video on that as well. Okay, thank you all. Take care.